What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove all liked video on YouTube at once. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up the YouTube app. So after opening the YouTube app, you have to go to your profile. After going to your profile, what you need to do, you have to go to on liked video. You can see here is a playlist. You have to go to your liked videos. So guys, please make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to liked video, what you need to do, you have to click on the videos you have liked that you want to remove them all. You have to click on this three dot icon and you have to click on remove from liked videos, just like this. So there is no updated options such like options that you can remove all the liked videos at once. YouTube didn't add any options like that. So what you have to do, you have to remove all the liked videos one by one manually. So this is the way guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.